good this one?
Yeah.
This is up on your waist. Hot hole, hot hole. 7:10. And we are going Dovecat Memorial Gardens.
Awesome.
Where we are
I don't
going?
say name.
Give me a phone.
Dovecat. Dovecat, that one.
We did put in the computer stand, right?
Yeah. Remember, I said we are going to do it plugging also.
Shop that with me. post a new video, you will be updated. Alright, okay, so as you know, or some persons may know, because you have mentioned it from time to time during our videos, during our vlogging, that we do live streaming of events, so like funerals, weddings, birthday parties, and so on. So this morning we have a funeral event, so we're heading into Mandeville, specifically Likkle, the Memorial Garden. I've never been there before, so you know.
Feel out the journey.
Yeah, we're gonna feel out the journey. So right now we're en route to that location, and we're in Trelawney, but we're not driving up, where they call it? Yeah, we're in Coit Park in Manchester. We're taking this route into Mandeville. Yeah.
Yeah, it's old school.
Yeah. Ooh, goats.
Look like you want some curry this morning.
Oh no, them confused, they don't know what go on.
Eh? Oh, they reach on us.
Excuse us. Lord have mercy.
Pass them now.
Yes guys, so we're in Coit Park, and then we're gonna go down to Zamtenbedi Marcel.
Yes.
Right, and then we're going to drive like Mile Gully. We're going to head into Mandeville. We find that it's a bit, it's not a bit, we find that it's quicker into Mandeville from Troy, where we are traveling from, to get into Mandeville. Alright, so do a journey with us and do enjoy the journey.
Enjoy Mad Road. Yeah, laugh.
Yes.
charge to do live streaming.
Yeah.
But we don't overcharge. And we don't use phone. Use cameras. 3 cameras set up. Don't?
Yeah.
Tremel and the main camera. Well, Izzy is using the computer now. She was switching before, so she said touring, so she want to put in like lower third and them things there. So you know, she monitor the computer while her mommy her mommy switch.
Oh boy.
Not too easy. Yeah. I want to roam around. I'm rolling stone. Yeah.
Okay. Them say if you walk from Mandeville to Oakland, it's 1 hour and 11 minutes.
I would want to do that. I would do that.
Well, if you're driving, let me see. It's 11 minutes.
Let's say maybe less than 20 minutes from the stuff to go around.
Yeah, so it seems like we're well early, but that is important.
Well, early, you know, the time looks up.
We're well early, man, because if it's 11 minutes out of Mandeville, within an hour, which is maybe do some of the journey already. We do some of the journey already. I reach on time. I usually try to reach our events 2 hours before the starting time, so we can set up properly and we're there and ready, up and running. So we still, where are we now? We leave Watercoy Park, yes, reach Everyting in Manchester.
That's the school in there.
Yeah, there used to be a school right here. It's the Anglican Church, St. John's Everyting.
Cookie Betty, what one?
Cookie Betty, how you hard to find, so? Your phone not working?
No.
Oh boy, we call it the phone so till.
Maxie, what happened?
Oh
Yeah.
no.
You know?
Are you serious? I
Zelly.
didn't know that your phone.
Yeah, man. Alright.
His father died, you know?
When?
Today my bury your family get buried today.
Mm-hmm.
Actually when I get this and he died in 13th of June.
Seriously? Our condolences.
Yeah.
The 9th of June birthday and died 13th of June.
Oh no. So which part the funeral going to be?
I think my church has been buried around here, so around and mother in my buried.
Oh.
And now a funeral, I go do a Mandeville now, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Mm-mm.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. So we have to your phone, you say?
I don't work on the phone now.
We are going to buy you one phone,
I
yeah?
just see charging problem.
We are going to give you one good phone when I no charging problem, yeah?
Alright, when you ready?
Yes.
Anything else to ask?
Yeah, man.
So hold on, did the lady get through?
No, she not come back yet. The lady back up by the
Oh,
house.
no, she don't come back yet.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man, do your thing.
Alright.
But listen, man, if you want to find me one shop pass, you check right here something.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
So you know.
You can leave a message here, so.
Right here. So.
Alright.
Don't worry yourself.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Cookie Betty, take it easy.
I'm wrong, brother Anna.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
hi. Okay. Yeah. What? Cookie Betty? Cookie Betty is the one that was here. I'm Elias. I don't know his
I'm cooking in him, cookie, but Betty. That's true.
Is he?
But are you hungry when she name him?
Oh boy. Alright.
Bat Cave to our left. So yeah, you see. We're gonna make a trip to the cave one of these days, you know, so persons can see what it looks like because we've never been there before.
Yeah. So we can experience it at the same time that you will be experiencing.
Yes. Which is right.
Right, so we're approaching Noisy River right now. It's right here, so.
Yeah, right at the bridge, yes, sir. They have some red light down here, too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, who's paying those bills? Look at that. Look at that. Look
Let
at
me see if I
that.
can get a shot of this water.
Yeah, we have the. Yeah, that's the river.
Yeah,
It's
nice
making
river.
a lot of noise because we have rocks and all over there. Yeah.
Yeah, water look beautiful.
And somebody stop in front of you and they don't know say we leave.
Okay.
I want funeral home.
Oh, funeral home stop in front of
Yes,
you.
yeah, eat early, my boss.
And get the pot here.
So that's nice river in. That's our Manchester or St. Elizabeth.
Well, I don't know when you reach. Is this St. Elizabeth now?
I guess
Okay.
Oxford or St. Elizabeth, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
Look at that baptism down here, man.
Okay. We're going all the way out.
All the way in. Yeah, push over this one.
Can't see no more.
The record bush. So we gaslight on. Look on the gaslight.
Oh boy. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah.
Gaslight on.
Oh boy.
This African over Mandeville, you know?
So, but guys, it was deliberate because we normally buy gas in Christiana, but we realized that price up there.
Cheaper Mandeville,
Yes.
over where we are going. Over
Right, over this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say the name.
No, then that's the pew.
Alright. So it was deliberate, but normally when the light is on, we have a good way to go.
Long way.
Yeah.
So this is the crossroad in Oxford. So if you make a right, you go Balaclava, and we're going to take the left, which takes us into Mandeville. So we go Comfort Hall, and we know Mile Gully, and all of them places they go to Mandeville.
And if you take the right as well, you go from Balaclava to Magazine.
Yeah, you can go Santa Cruz, Black River,
Westmoreland.
all of them places. All of them places, the name of where I call them behind me right now. Yes. So we are heading into Mandeville.
Mandeville.
Yeah, Mandeville. Alright. Comfort Hall. Comfort Hall. Comfort Hall. So this cemetery, the on the right there, so the cemetery, this cemetery, yeah. Church. Well,
see how it goes.
this is somebody over there. Now when I reach that early, that means nobody know you can do it. Yeah. So we are still in Comfort Hall.
Oh, this one? You like it? Well, just say look good.
So she said I look bad.
Yes.
Drive too fast, you know? Still in Comfort Hall. Well, I don't know any name of all the place, I know, but I won't remember what I go say. That's you.
Until you see one sign that says otherwise.
One sign say otherwise. Let's see if I see that sign. I'm never see one on the road yet.
Look, man.
Otherwise. So to our left is Comfort Hall. What is we go a mile gully, we don't know the
In
places in
between.
between. Yeah, Trimel said the name in between. In between, so we're the in between.
Yeah, no signs.
So we drive them in the road for years, you know, we don't know the name of the place. Now, so no left we are to go somewhere, the only place we are looking for now where we are going. Yeah. They say, where I drive a man? I drive a man gully.
That road up there take you back into Malacca. Right?
No, you can't go one place down where Borg.
Oh, really?
When you left Union and go down,
Oh,
and they say drop out.
okay, okay.
There's over there, say Roger Clark Road or something like that. I don't know.
Okay.
Round that part. I think it go through what bus is the drive? What is it?
We know where the bus is to drive. We know your name though.
Yeah, I know what name, I just remember. Evergreen.
Oh.
No, not this
No,
one.
but Evergreen out there.
Oh, this one not Evergreen.
We pass Evergreen when we just leave the intersection. The road we go to.
I think that road they drop out that's the same way, you know?
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure.
Come on. Hurry up now. Oh, it's bad on the inside. Oh.
That's some stick there.
Okay.
Make a right corner, and then you go for a little stretch. You know, a bad part in a Likkle road. That's all. You see it? Bus a left, bus a right, bus a left. Why don't touch out there, sir? Jesus. Remember when I have to stop to go through there, sir? Must the taxi man then fix it. Yeah. That's cement they use. Got company. far. The bus are right down, the bus are like. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you do it? I say go. Yeah? Dosa? So we are heading to Oakland Memorial Gardens. Oh no, it's not the funny. Maybe they eat off it is. Maybe man ready to name it this. Did hungry and just eat it. Now a woman. That's in Mandeville, Manchester. Oakland. Oakland.
Memorial Garden.
Oakland. Okay.
Is this a cotton tree?
Yeah. Of cotton tree, not them bush there.
The only reason I know because the trunk's so big.
I think I want to be saying that.
No.
You know, say they don't believe. See Duppy Church, they look like they left on the cotton tree, come back at church.
Oh boy.
So this is Duppy Church in Manchester, Mile Gully, Manchester. See there, Duppy Church. Yeah, pass it. Now stop. That way, my God. I wonder if I'm out this way, my God, stop. So we can pass. Can you kind of slow up there now? Yeah. No load one. And I cannot load now.
Lord.
Nah, blow no hand neither. is wrong.
Wrong side.
Yeah. So we are still in Mile Gully.
I'm gonna high school is somewhere out here.
Yeah. The Mile Gully High School sign here, so you make a right turn. Oh, I don't
So
know.
this is
So
like
that's so far.
Moravian. But it's a Moravian.
I'm alright.
It is, yeah.
Oh, see, I pepper. I can drive this over Christiana, but to make it right. So this carry go right up at the new green roundabout.
Yeah.
Yeah. New green square, new green roundabout. Watch out. Yeah, I know a new green square there. You have jokes. You don't know a square. When you drive through Likkle road and this is when you drop out. Right up by the top by into this.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. The bad road.
Yeah. Security, quest security. But not even pull up your head and look and it's scary. down there so I can go. That's all.
Yeah, them are reach the same time.
That's all.
Because they not have any content with no patrol line.
Let me see them now. So this is New Green Square. Alright, look. Where them there?
I don't know.
Nowhere to be found.
Them gone.
You see, no, they gone. Through this a shatter. Look.
It's shorter, yes, but because the road's so, you know, holy.
That's true, yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure, serenity road, you know. I think it's this one. No, it don't look so. It's another one up top. Well, I have no time for loss.
At first, yeah, first.
Yes, see. And it's right here. See there. And this one, where is it?
No, but I take this. So I cut out the roundabout. I see TV them just a pass on this.
Okay. Yeah, like the robot. Yeah, man, I hate the big pothole in Jamaica.
Are you a worry for it?
Not worry afraid, but we have to make sure to live on the right path. Especially when you're low on gas. What's happening with you, gentlemen?
We saw reach a gas station.
Okay. Hold up. Clear this way, clear that way.
Bus alright, Isabel. 804. 804 reach Mandeville.
So we take less than an hour.
Yeah.
So we're heading to the gas station, guys.
Yes, which is to our right. Maniaga gas station. Where you cash our card?
Cash. That cash place, I don't see nobody there.
No.
Okay. Maybe it's that part is not open on a Sunday.
What more on this side?
Oh, okay.
You can't use your money, sir?
I suppose it's just one area that they specified.
Gotcha.
Not bad. When somebody else come on. Or here. What will we get Sunday? No, that would have fit here. I said, oh, give me a look. Something behind me.
7,090. Narrow now.
Thank you.
Brother. Alright, my boss.
Alright. This guy's not looking.
You're not using it? Alright, we're comfortable now. We have gas. We're comfortable.
Comfortable. Some food will top it off, eh?
Yeah.
Can't stop the food now at all.
How deal with? Alright, my general.
Window up. Okay. Are we using thing there from here?
Use what?
Google Maps.
No, you're not using nobody. Alright. Back on our journey, you know. Morning clicky. room.
Ah.
Watch and see if I not find him. I mean, I look for him.
Okay. You lead and we will follow.
Here he leads, I will follow. Yeah. We just brave up and go like we know where we are going.
Well, that's what we always do.
Brave. Nah, man, we know where we are going. We just never got there yet, but we know where we are going. We know where to go.
Don't see any indication. Right back.
It's a reduced noise. Yes, I will make a right. Right, yes, sir. Yes, I get it. Yes.
Listening square. I want us to ask this lady to make sure.
You can ask her, but me know say right road me there on. Alright, listen.
Hi, good morning. Are we on the right way to Oakland Memorial? Okay,
Alright.
thank you.
I told you.
Sure. Did you want to, you know, Marzelle just
No, but so why me never follow the straight road then? Yeah? Me make a turn. And me did one.
We just want to make sure.
Are you not sure? You sure? You shouldn't stop.
Oh, please. You say you wanted to know, so you stop. Okay.
At this road, me no know now.
I know when it's nobody.
Oh, so one stop sign this, so this is straight road.
Oh, okay. True, just a laugh, Okay. Our Lady of National Marian Shrine. Hi, good morning.
Hello, good
Hello.
Are we on the right way to Oakland?
Yeah, correct.
Okay,
Thanks.
thanks.
Alright.
Alright.
You see that? No! That's my turn out there, sir.
Well, that's the wrong question then. I think it's straight ahead.
Yeah, man, that's straight road.
That looks like the community man over there. So the whole place leaky this morning from Trelawney right into Mandeville. Leaky. Yeah.
See my church, yes, sir.
So this church name, the One Way Apostolic Church Association.
We reach. Yes. We reach.
So it's not Oakland, it's Oakland.
Yes, I hope L-A-N-D.
It's not me, it's what I see on what was sent to us. Okay guys, we have arrived.
Yes, we reach and we not last.
Thank you Jesus. So it's 8:17, so we're right on schedule. And the place is open, that's beautiful. Harvey Run for Dyer. Guys, so we have arrived. Do remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. We thank you all very much for joining with us. Alright, do enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.